Linux Courseware presents the video, Logging On via the GNOME GUI, as a supplement to our Linux training material. This video was created using GNOME 3.8. But the concepts explained in this video are applicable to GNOME 4.0.
This video will explain how to log on and log out using the GNOME Display Manager, and how to open a GNOME terminal.
Let's review some terms we will use in this video.
The logon process serves two main purposes. It authenticates the user's credentials to ensure that the user has the necessary privileges to access the operating system, and configures the user's environment.
A logon session refers to the period of time from the successful authentication of a user until the user logs off.
In a graphical user interface, a desktop refers to the workspace where a user interacts with various components and applications.
To understand the difference between logon screens, it is helpful to learn about Linux user ID ranges.
Each Linux user is identified by a unique, numeric user account ID. The user account ID is also called the user ID. Each user ID is associated with a username.
User IDs are grouped into ranges. User accounts, whose user IDs are between 0 and 99, are system accounts. User accounts, whose user IDs are between 100 and 999, are service accounts. And user accounts, whose user IDs are between 1000 and 60,000, are regular user accounts. Regular user accounts are for general system users that have limited or no access to critical system resources. Please note, the minimum and maximum account IDs for service and regular user accounts are set in the file etc/login.defs. User account ranges may differ between distributions, derivatives, or installations.
The GNOME option, Disable User List, determines if the usernames of regular user accounts are displayed on the login screen. If the value of Disable User List is false, regular user account names are displayed on the login screen. If the value of Disable User List is true, regular user account names are not displayed on the login screen. When logging on as a regular user, and the user list is displayed, select the user's name from the list.
Next, enter the user's password, and select the Sign In button, or press the Enter key.
When the user list is displayed, but the username is not in the list, select Not Listed.
For example, user root's user ID is 0. This tells us user root's account is a system account, and user root's name would not be listed in the regular user account list.
To log in as user root, select Not Listed. Then enter the username root. To continue, select the Next button or press the Enter key.
Next, enter the user's password, and select the Sign In button, or press the Enter key.
When a user list is not available, type the username. To continue, select the Next button or press the Enter key.
Next, enter the user's password, and select the Sign In button, or press the Enter key.
Now that we have logged on, let's open a terminal window to enter commands.
The GNOME shell command, GNOME tac terminal, is one method of opening a terminal window.
To execute a GNOME shell command. From the GNOME desktop, use the key sequence, Alt, F2, to open a command window.
Next, type the command, GNOME tac terminal, and press the Enter key.
You have successfully logged on, opened the terminal window, and can now enter commands.
The GNOME shell command, GNOME tac session tac quit, will terminate the logon session. Please note, this command will close the current logon session. All data not saved will be lost. To log out, type the command, GNOME tac session tac quit, and add the option, no tac prompt, to avoid system prompts. Press the Enter key to execute the command.
You may also execute this command from a virtual console. Remember, this will close your logon session, and you will lose any data that has not been saved.
Thank you for viewing our video. We hope this video was a helpful addition to your studies. If you would like to make a suggestion, need technical help, or want to report an error, visit linuxcourseware.com/support. For information on any of our study guides, online self-study programs, or to attend one of our classes, please visit our website or email us at info@linuxcourseware.com.